From CBS4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackHealth.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackHealth.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now here's the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
There's an estimated 50 million Americans who suffer with tinnitus. This is a constant or periodic ringing, humming, or buzzing in your ears. Tinnitus is a common problem among those who have hearing loss. The Cornerstone Hearing Center has the latest counseling and sound therapy options. They're members of the American Audiology Association and the Colorado Academy of Audiology, and they're accredited with the Better Business Bureau, and they have an A+ rating. Dr. Dagmar Borcic from the Cornerstone Hearing Center and Dr. Dan Tibbs from Widex USA join us today. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Now, we mentioned what tinnitus is that buzzing and humming and that noise that you have in your head, but what are the causes of tinnitus?
Well, there are many causes of tinnitus. It is a symptom of an underlying condition, and most of the time it is stemmed with hearing loss. About 70% of people that have even the slightest amount of hearing loss will experience tinnitus. And other causes may be noise exposure, head trauma, medication, stress.
This is something, though, that people, they know they have it. It's something that's hard to live with, but is there a cure for it?
Unfortunately, there is no cure for tinnitus. So the only thing we can do today is treat it and manage it.
What are some of the treatment options?
There are various treatment options. Most of them do have to do with sound therapy. So it can be as simple as background noise, environmental noise, a fan in the background, music, the television. But because most people that have hearing loss do experience tinnitus, hearing aids are usually our first bet with trying to treat it, because hearing aids bring in sound.
Okay, that makes sense.
And so it helps to reduce and even mask tinnitus if we're lucky. But today's hearing aids are so sophisticated that we actually have tinnitus programs in there. And one of the programs is named Zen, Z-E-N.
Okay, and that's what you're here to talk about. Yes. You're with Widex USA. Explain what Zen is.
Well, Zen's a unique music option that's available in Widex hearing aids. And the Zen program actually plays chime-like sounds that are going to be relaxing and can help distract one from their tinnitus. Traditionally, your audiologist can adjust the parameters on the Zen program for a variety of situations and purposes. But, the main issue is going to be seeing people who try hearing aids with Zen traditionally tend to see an immediate effect or reduction of that tinnitus. However, for some others it might take some time, and your audiologist will help set some realistic expectations for that and can make adjustments if necessary.
And you've had huge success with this then. So people, it really basically tricks the brain so they don't hear that buzzing or that chirping or whatever it might be that's going on.
Absolutely.
All right, this is a great option for people. So people right now that are watching the show that either know someone or have tinnitus themselves, what would the next step be for them?
Well, usually the next step is to go see an audiologist, such as myself. We need to do a lot of diagnostic testing to find out, is the tinnitus related to hearing loss? Is it related to something else? And then do I need to refer to another specialist that can take care of the underlying condition? But getting a full diagnostic hearing evaluation is the first step. And then what treatment we decide on, it would be the next step. But again, the Zen has been so successful. So
and you've seen that, and that's pretty much the direction you're taking people in now because you've had so much success with it.
It has just been amazing.
And I think too, there's probably a lot of people that have tinnitus maybe for short periods of time, once or twice a year, but they're not really a candidate. It's the people that have it in an ongoing situation for days and weeks and months at a time.
And years.
And years, okay.
Yeah.
This sounds like something that you can really help people with and change their lives. So I'm going to tell them how they can get a hold of you, and thanks for sharing this information.
Thank you so much.
Cornerstone Hearing Centers can help you with your tinnitus. They offer the latest technological advancements in the hearing industry. Call them at 303-400-2988 or visit their website, cshearing.com. The number again is 303-400-2988. Cornerstone Hearing paid for this segment.